We covered some of this in the first episode, but the first thing we'll look at here is the carpet set for the 104. Again, CAD cut. Even these choke lines are put on by the Gerber machine. Look at some of the details. We have the original Austin Healey heel pad with the script Austin, exactly as original, sewn in. The front mats, again, they're literal patterns. Other things like this inner rocker, inner sill cover here. This is supplied, as we've said here, deliberately oversized. A much smaller piece once it's all installed on the car and glued down, but it starts off with a large piece. BN2 side shift, as you can see. Underfelt set. You know, this is difficult to cut by hand. Imagine trying to cut this, even if you had the patterns. And this is all cut with a computer with all the difficult holes punched, ready to go. The English carpet snaps are supplied. So that's our carpet set. I'll show you here. This is our Carvel carpet. Again, customer didn't choose this one, but you can see the distinct cornrow effect that the Carvel carpet is famous for, and the jute burlap back in. We have this in red, black, and blue. The show guys love it and score the points. They're the closest to original. I personally prefer the Wilton wool. We have 13 colors to choose on the Wilton wool. Arguably a high quality carpet. This is synthetic as it was originally, and we're not trying to reproduce the best carpet in the world here. We're just trying to make the Carvel as close to the original as possible. It was a cheap, relatively cheap carpet used in the British car industry for lots of models, everything from Morris Minor to AC Cobra, and all Healeys. Oh goodness, T-Series cars, T-Series MGs. It's endless. So there's the carpet set, and now we'll look at the armor cord set for the trunk and rear bulkhead.